Hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shergill. Today I'm going to give the tips regarding home insurance. There are many different types of home insurance. When you are going to call your insurance broker or insurance company, make sure you give the right information starting from your address, date of birth, your occupation and type of property you are going to insure, and if you have prior insurance, make sure you have your policy number and insurance company name ready, plus your mortgage information, from where you're getting mortgage, their name and address, your lawyer's information, their email address and phone number. So you need to have all these things ready when you are calling insurance broker or insurance company for a quote. Second thing, you have to tell exactly what the property's intended purpose is. Is the property is your primary residence where you're going to live? Because that's a different kind of insurance. Or this is a secondary property. You might have another property for a vacation or seasonal purpose. And third is a rental property. You might have bought this property to rent to other people, or you might going to give it for Airbnb or for student rental or rooming a home. So these all different categories have different scenarios and different coverages. You got to be exactly telling what the purpose of insurance, and always try to get maximum coverage. Do not cut corners when you are getting property insurance or home insurance, most people call it, because the property is almost $1 million property these days in Ontario, average home, or 750 around that. So make sure you cover your property the best way you can. The only way you can cover best is by providing the true information, accurate information, because if the property is bought for rental purposes and you insured it as a primary residence, if the claim comes, it can be denied. Or if the property is vacant, there are so many properties which are vacant, and when they bought it, they bought it for their personal use, or that's what they said when they got the mortgage. But it happened, some people got their claim denied because when the claim happened, fire gone, and when the people went there was nobody living there. But actually when the insurance was said that it was for living, personal use and their primary residence. So brand new home, they lost all the coverages, and it's a huge headache for the people who insured it, and huge headache for the property owner. So it's a lose-lose situation. So make sure you insure the property for the intended purpose and get the right coverage. And also, second thing is, when you insure it, make sure the payments keep on going and do not miss the payment, because home insurance or property insurance is not regulated. So if you have a non-payment cancellation, that shows your financial situation, and when people's financial situation is bad and if the claim comes, mostly insurance companies think, or the data shows, that people make bigger claim who are suffering financially compared to people who are well off and their payments never missed. So mostly when your policy is cancelled for non-payment for home insurance, it's very hard to get it again. And even if you get it from the substandard market with high risk market, your coverage will be very limited, and insurance premium will be quite high. So you don't want to go through that same scenario. So always keep your payments up to date and get the right coverage, explain all the facts, and try to get all what you can in the insurance coverage. There might be some limitations based on where your property is located, close to water or far away, or different kind of topography or geography. Make sure you get water damage coverages, overland water, sewer backup there. Plus, if you are living in the property like your primary residence, make sure you have a guaranteed replacement cost. These all the coverages you can only get when you have good record and no non-payment cancellations or not too many claims. Once the claims happen and your policy is cancelled for non-payment, and it's very difficult to get a better coverage. So also declare your mortgages. If you are getting a second mortgage, some companies allow the second mortgage to be added on, but if there's more than two mortgages on the property, you will not get the insurance with the many of the standard companies where you get the best coverage and the best premium. Then you end up going with the high risk market with very limited coverages. So when you are getting more than two mortgages, so make sure you get the coverage you want, or your mortgage company coverage they want, so that so you will not have to go through that headache at the closing date. So these are some of my tips. I will bring some more videos next time in the future on home insurance or property insurance or different kinds of insurance, because I do auto, home, commercial insurance, trucking insurance, business insurance. You can call me at 416-831-0215 or email me at jagtar@ableinsurance.ca. So thank you very much for watching the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll say goodbye. God bless you and keep your insurance up to date. Thank you.